Swerte. Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And we're going to open some
More Mega Evolution out of the because we
booster
got
pack.
booster pack because we get very good hits.
So, ang tanong, bubuksan ba?
Buksan ba or tago panghabang buhay?
Pero dahil may video tayong ganito, ibig sabihin
We're
nun,
gonna open.
we're going to open. So, yan yung
It's a
aming,
sleeve card and it's very cool.
yun yung ano namin, tinila namin ng almost quarter to 6 a.m. Kaso may nauna sa amin, 1:30,
I woke up 5:30 just for this.
1:30, 2:30, 3 o'clock, and quarter to 6 kami.
They look
Pang
so
9 na tayo, 9, 10, 11 na kami nun.
9.
Pang 9, 10, and 11 na kaming nakapila nun. And sayang, may 4 booster box, di namin nakuha kasi nauna, 2 ETB, tag-isang art, and 2 booster bundle. Tas the rest, ganito na, and yung walang sleeve. So, buksan na natin to
Pick
kasi,
a character.
So, ito sa
Back
akin.
battle.
Ito sa akin, dalawa. Ito
Oh,
ang
because
gusto
you
ko
want the golden one?
So,
Well, I'll get Mega Kangaskhan.
okay, dito, yan o. Bubuksan natin. Pack battle tayo ulit. And I think this will be our last pack battle for the month of September
Yeah,
for
because
my birthday.
we're gonna wait for the new set.
Hindi muna, ito muna tayo.
That's
Kaya mo hindi sirain. Huwag sirain para matago pa natin.
I forgot how to open din
Ako
since when I bought my
Sumo
own
ka na?
Pokemon. Yeah.
Ako na tatanggal lang.
Why is my luck so bad when I'm opening my own packs?
So magkaibang artwork.
What?
Sige, Andre's
Wait.
first pack.
If that is
Wait, what anong gusto mong makuha? What card do you want to
the
get?
Mega Kangaskhan.
Mega Kangaskhan? Ayaw mo ng gold?
And Mega Lucario.
Ako gusto ko yung gold eh. Ito ba yung yung
Yes.
special illustration rare na Mega Kangaskhan
Yeah.
EX. Alright, sige.
Like a father and son.
Father and son. Tago mo yung code card ah. And let's do the card trick and guess the energy. Kinakabahan ako. So, pangpaswerte si tawag dito, Shiny Rayquaza.
Guess your energy.
Ganda ng artwork oh.
What's your energy?
Leaf.
Fire.
Oy!
Why do I smell Pokemon packs?
Because we're opening Pokemon packs.
Nestack. It looks like it's a Minecraft pig with brown color. Megamite.
Magnemite.
Magnemite. Vulpix. This is just a fox.
Hindi nakita.
This is just a fox that could breathe fire, right?
I think Ninetales.
Ay, Bulbasaur.
Bulbasaur.
Maybe this is a sign of Mega Venusaur.
Yeah. Come on.
This is also like for green type, leaf
Teka,
type.
hindi ka kita.
Yeah.
Wait. Ang labo. Ba't ang labo? Yan, ganyan. Huwag mo
Volcanion.
na naman siya ito ilapit. Malabo ah, wait lang.
Walking volcano.
Wait. Yan, okay na. Ay, punasan nga natin, baka madumi.
Huh? Okay na.
Hindi, yan.
Volcano.
Yan, kita na.
Shrifty. It looks like it's a jungle monkey.
Yan.
It looks like it's a jungle monkey with these orders. Reversal of
Meron
chi.
tayo niyan eh. Ayan, man. And, yan, wala bago yan.
Mega Venusaur EX.
And,
No.
oh man, first pack, no magic. Okay, for me.
Maybe it will happen like that.
Okay.
The 3 cards get
Let's see.
good hit.
Let's see. My first pack from Gardevoir artwork
Did you
is
get the
Venusaur. Ano sa'yo? Venusaur din ba? Damn it. Para yung Venusaur. Okay. Our first pack today.
Let's use the better Venusaur here. Wait,
Alright.
if you get Ivysaur, this might be the one to get.
I hope so. Alright.
If I get Bulbasaur and you get Ivysaur, this
Ganun, no?
might be a sign of
Tama,
Venusaur.
ganon?
Yeah,
Okay,
just
guess
one
the,
pack.
guess the energy.
Fire.
Darkness. Oh, metal.
It's kind of like darkness, but
Okay.
more whiter.
C-dot.
Is this just a seed?
Routes.
Maybe this is a...
Teka, evolution to ni Gardevoir eh. Bago maging Gardevoir,
carnivore.
basic ka or first evolution. Anyway, stuff off, stuff full,
It looks
Sizzlepid, Takaton,
Metal
Picaton, Volcanion, Premium Power Pro,
What were you think?
Execute,
Maybe I...
Premium Power Pro, Cinderace.
Would you open mine?
Man.
Maybe
Man.
maybe only one hit and that one hit is Mega Kangaskhan.
Okay, ang upper cook is so ano sa tingin mong artwork nito? Hey!
Oh, it's correct.
Second pack ni Andre. Wala pa
Sign
tayo
of-
na hit.
This is a sign of Mega
No hit pa, no hit.
Sign of Mega Kangaskhan, I hope.
I hope so too. Come on, give us
Pokemon
something.
Live.
Give us something, please.
Pick
Fire energy.
Leap.
Oh,
Ooh.
wala.
Punching type. Rare Candy.
Rare candy.
We might get Rare Kangaskhan
I hope
if
so.
we give it to
Come on,
Kangaskhan.
give us something.
Ice penguin with the ice stuck on its head.
What?
Walking vegetable with ice. Sparrow,
Spearow.
brown bird, spirit tomb. Make it a spirit bomb. Gargantuan. It looks like this was inspired from
Yeah.
Minecraft.
Actually, that's, ito yun, no? Bago yan. Evolution
Ooh,
siya.
evolution. It looks like this is inspired from Minecraft.
Come on, give us something. Give us
Ay,
something.
Mega Signal!
Okay, ito na.
Mega-
Nagsisignal na. Nagsisignal na. Nagsisignal na. Okay, sige. Medyo mahina pa yung signal. And... Oh! Oh! Wow! Illustration rare.
But it wasn't a
Steelix.
Mega! Wow!
Illustration rare Steelix. Wow.
Now I'm winning.
Wow.
I'm winning now.
So, kailangan na nilagay ng sleeve para protected ng
I
ating
think the
mga collection.
Mega Signal was too weak and just gave us a regular Steelix.
Illustration rare
May-
Steelix.
Maybe the
Wow.
Mega Signal was not enough and it just turned it to a,
Kinulang pa. Okay.
illustration.
Man, at least may isa. Please give us one more. Please, gold, or any mega.
Let's see what's the artwork
Okay, this
because
is...
there's two Venusaurs.
Sino?
Lucario.
Lucario. Okay.
And let pick your pack design.
Lucario. Hindi.
Mega Kangaskhan.
Okay, ito na. This is it. Lord, please.
Kangaskhan.
Lord, please.
Oh.
Lord, please.
Give it some luck from
Well,
this.
last pack. Magic. Alright.
Shiny Rayquaza will
Sige,
bless
sige na,
this
sige na.
card. Boom.
Alright.
You have been
Come on.
blessed. You have
I
been
need the
blessed
blessing
by
of
the
God.
gods.
Hindi. Oh my Lord, please. Give us the gold
Mega
one.
Kangaskhan is
Give us a
smiling at
good
you.
one. Last pack magic. Oh man, ayaw bumukas.
Lucar's
Ayaw.
waiting to
Hindi
punch
ko
out.
buksan.
Lucar's waiting to escape from that card and meet with us. To a snake binder.
Come on. Okay.
Pokemon Live. God Pack. God Pack. Fire.
Psychic. Oh!
Why do you always get it correct? Why do I always get God Pack? Not a God Pack.
Execute.
Egg. Bear.
Beware.
Pink and black bear.
Heliop. Tile.
3D.
Routes.
Eh.
Come on.
Iron.
Iron Defender.
Maybe it will become a...
Soul Rock.
Looks like a Sean. Shackle.
Shackle.
Ooh.
2, 3, yeah! Oh my god.
Maybe we could get the good because this is
Last pack, Magic. Last pack. Oh! Mega
wait.
Mega Abomasno.
Wait, look at this.
Abomasno EX.
Wait,
Wait
can I
lang,
hold it?
wait. Lalagyan ko muna ng...
Let me hold the illustration there.
At
2 hits.
least we have a Mega.
Maybe the mega signal went there.
At least we got the Mega.
Yeah. Mega evolution is becoming evolution.
Alright, so out of the 4 packs, we have 2 hits. From our first 4 packs, we have 3 hits. 3
And
hits.
they were all good.
And 2 hits naman dito sa second. Wait lang.
Mega.
Ayan, ito yan.
Look at the mega of snow. Look, you can clearly see the body.
Yep. Ano siya? Ito doon. Ano tawag siya? Secret rare ba yan?
Wait, is this Loki? Looks like it's a very old EX.
Ano ba tawag dito? Sa mega no to? Hindi ko maalala ang tawag yan.
Of Must
Hindi,
no?
I mean, ano tawag sa kanya to? Hindi ko na nga alam eh. Ito alam ko, illustration rare. Ito is, ano to?
Mega EX.
Ordinaryong ano lang, no? Parang
Yeah.
EX lang siya.
Yeah,
Still, it's still a hit. So that's it for our opening this time.
We did kinda good.
Hopefully makabili tayo ng ETB so we can open some more. But
But
then again, I'm Michael
Andre,
and we just opened some.
Mega Evolution, and got two great hits.
Alright.
Very great hit, kinda great hit.
God bless, stay safe, and see you next opening. Bye!
Bye. Maybe for the month.